you see these lines going across? See it in the metal? That's from someone doing something on here that they had no clue of what they were doing. So the metal is burned. That's why it's lighter. The metal is burned. And this stuff is from some nasty, nasty chemical degreaser etching into it. All right, everybody, so on the highway, running down the road, it's around 6:30, you know, sun's sort of coming up. All right, everyone, so out here at unit number 25. Get the camera set up and everything. I'm gonna start on this section here. Go ahead and work down. All right, so I've been working for a little bit. I'll show you this. Take a look at this. Contrast is undeniable. See that difference in that time to knock out this whole side. You can see that. Big difference, huge difference. Beautiful. So out here, this is day 2. I'm about to show y'all something. So up here, I'm gonna let you see where someone at some point in time tried doing this on their own. What I'm gonna show you here is, you see these lines going across? See it in the metal? That's from someone doing something on here that they had no clue of what they were doing. So the metal is burned. That's why it's lighter. The metal is burned. And this stuff is from some nasty, nasty chemical degreaser etching into it. So I'm gonna be coming over this, and you can see this side over here. It's great. And getting it done. So I'm gonna set up the camera. But you like this?
Yeah. That looks good, man. How long it take you to do? About 2-3 days?
About 2.5 days. 2.5, 3 days.
It look good, man.
Yeah, she looks a lot better than what she did.
Huh?
Looks a lot better than what she did. What you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm hoping he'll get the rest of them done.
Alright, so now I'm going to work down bottom section here. These proprietary compounds. And I'm going to try this in. All right, everybody, so I'm about to blend this section that's right underneath here from here to here, because getting underneath here with some of the other tools is just a little bit awkward. So we have a system that is proprietary to Exquisitemad, using our mixes of our paste and our metal polishes, and we're gonna blend all this in. We're gonna leave it some shine. It's gonna blend into up here to here. It's gonna look pretty nice. All right, everybody, so wrapped up with this tanker for CITGO, and gonna show you some pretty thorough afters on it. It turned out absolutely amazing, turned out beautiful, as you can see behind me. One, if you're interested in having your tanker polished and refinished, Exquisitemad is the only business in the world to provide these services worldwide, nationwide, across the United States of America and worldwide. So just give us a call, 800-292-2341 or exquisitemad.com. You can contact us there, or info@exquisitemad.com. So appreciate everybody. See you on the next video.